Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. A Google Cloud project and billing enabled, because the API needs an active project. Once that's in place, enable the Vision API and create a service account. Download the JSON key and store it securely. You should install the client library for your language or the G-Cloud SDK and set the Google Application Credentials environment variable to the key path so your code authenticates automatically. This gets you from 0 to the first authenticated call quickly. Once authenticated, decide how to send images. Local file, Google Cloud Storage URI, or base64. Choose what matters, labeling, text detection, or object localization. You then build an annotate image request or use batch annotate images and include only the features you need to reduce cost and latency. When the API returns JSON, parse the fields you requested, descriptions and scores for labels, full text annotation for OCR, or bounding poly for objects. Make sure to handle to finish, optimize, and deploy. Resize or compress images to lower cost and increase speed, and request only required features. For large workloads, use asynchronous batch requests. Deploy your integration as a cloud function or server, and set up logging and alerting so you monitor quotas and errors. If something goes wrong, first check your service account credentials and that the request body matches the API schema. Also verify quota limits and billing status. These are the most common sources of failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.